Yeah, so what's up everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to withdraw your earnings from Picoworkers. Okay, so if you have worked in Picoworkers before or Sproutgigs, okay, and you want to withdraw your funds, you want to know how you're going to be able to withdraw your funds, then stick to me to the way on this video. I'm going to be showing you how you can actually withdraw your funds from Sproutgigs or Picoworkers. So if you're landing my channel for the first time, my name is Nick Dance, and I'm going to be your YouTube tutor for this. I'm going to be teaching you how you're going to be able to withdraw your money from Picoworkers or Sproutgigs. Okay, so if you want to know how much you can withdraw your how you're going to withdraw your money, which payment method you're going to use, and how many days you're going to get into your bank account or any wallet you're going to be withdrawing. So okay guys, I'm now we are at the other end of my screen. So basically this video tutorial is all about withdrawing your money from Picoworkers or Sproutgigs. Okay, so if you want to know how you can withdraw your money, then this tutorial gonna walk you through. Okay, so once you sign up on Sproutgigs or Picoworkers, okay, you're gonna be redirected to this page. So this is how your dashboard is gonna look like. Okay, your dashboard is actually gonna be looking like this. So after signing up and you want to withdraw your money, it's very easy. So I'm gonna be walking with you how. So after signing up, after doing everything, so before you can be able to withdraw your money on Picoworkers, you must have at least $5 in your account. Okay, as you can see on my screen here, I only just have $1 here, and this is the money that I actually make from commissions. I didn't do anything. Okay, I didn't do any work. These are commissions that I'm actually making every single day, and you can see on my wallet here. Let's head over to my wallet. Okay, I have withdrawn over 30 I withdraw over $36. Okay, and these are money that I made from just affiliate commissions, just money that I used that I made by referring people to Picoworkers, and they sign up and they register, they do the work, and I earn commission. So if you want to know how I actually made this kind of money, you can check the previous video down below. I'm going to be putting the video down in the video link in the description. Okay, so you're definitely going to check it out. So for now, so let's talk about how you can be able to withdraw from Sproutgigs. Okay, so withdrawing from Sproutgigs or Picoworkers is very easy. Okay, so once you are on this section, let's go back to the home page. Okay, once you are on the home page, okay, this first of all let me let you know the requirements you have to put in place before you are before you be able to withdraw your money from Picoworkers. First of all, you must at least make above $5. Okay, if you have not make above $5, then Picoworkers are never going to pay you. So once you have above $5, then you can eligible to withdraw. Then after making above $5, then you see this timer over here, this zero timer over here. Once you register, your own is going to be, there's going to be a time here, either 180 seconds or whichever time it is. So before you're able to withdraw, you have to make sure this timer falls down to 0, as you can see. So Picoworkers advise you to make this timer the way down to 0 before they will allow you to withdraw your money. What this timer actually means is that they just want to actually know if truly this account is a legit account, or you have actually done some work in the past, so they're able to know that okay, yes, this account is not really a scam. So once you are done with that, so you have to make sure 2 steps are put in place before you be able to withdraw your money. First of all, you must have above $5 in place. Second of all, that you must have this timer way down to 0. So how can you, if you have this timer above 0, maybe whichever time it will be 180 seconds or any seconds it is, I want to withdraw, okay, just do some tax. Okay, so whenever you do some little tax and they got you approved, understand, and you got approved for any tax you do, the timer is going to reduce by 10 seconds. So so if you have 180 seconds here, that means you need about 18 tax to be completed before this timer will actually fall back to 0, before you be able to request for withdrawal. So let's go back to how we can be able to withdraw from this platform. Okay, so withdrawing from this platform is very easy. Okay, so if you have the $5 above in place and you have your timer way down to 0, so just head over to your wallet section here, click on your wallet section here. Okay, so once you click on your wallet section, then going to click on request withdrawal. So once you click on request withdrawal, then you can put in whatever withdrawal method you want to use to withdraw your money. So as you can see, we have about 5 withdrawal method on Sproutgigs or Picoworkers here. So back to what I was saying, look at the requirement. They said your tax interval must be 0 to be able to withdraw, which I actually said in the first place. Okay, they say new user must complete a minimum amount of tax to achieve 0 tax interval. So they're trying to confirm if you actually spam or not. So you have to at least perform it amount of tasks for your timer to fall way down to zero before you be able to withdraw your money. Then you must have at least $5 in your balance. So once you're trying to withdraw, Picoworkers are going to debit $5 from your account. So they need that $5 and above for you. So for you to make that money before you be able to, before you be eligible for withdrawal. So you cannot withdraw your money from your spendable balance. So if you're on Picoworkers as an employer, you cannot be able to actually withdraw your money. So if you can only withdraw money that you earn from affiliate commissions or from doing micro tax, whichever way around you're gonna earn your money. So they say withdrawal process within 10 days. So trust me guys, this actually is not going to take 10 days. It's actually going to take just 24 hours before your money will get into your account. It's not that so long like that, okay? But trust me guys, it's not up to it's not up to 10 days before they actually paid me. They paid me less than 24 hours, okay? Let's say maximum 24 hours, okay? So depending on the payment method you use and which you're actually going to do. So as you can see here now, I don't have $5 in my account, so I've already withdrawn the money I had here in the past. But I had, when I withdrew everything fall back to itself, but I had $1 in commission again. So these are money I'm actually making from affiliate commission. So if you want to know how I'm actually making this money again, check the video link. I'm going to put a video in the video link in the description of this video. So go and watch that video. I'll be able to learn how I actually make all these commissions. So if you know that, then you're going to click whichever payment method you're going to use. You're going to click on any payment method you use. So I'm going to let you guys know something, okay? And yeah, so there are 5 withdrawal methods I'm actually going to use. I have ATM, Litecoin, PayPal, Skrill, and Uphold, okay? They are working great, but there's only one downside to this method, is that for now they don't allow you to be able to, Picoworkers for now does not allow you to withdraw your money with PayPal, okay? I don't really know the reason why they stop using PayPal for now. So you can use that for withdrawal method, but you can't use PayPal because I don't really know why. So okay, I tried to use PayPal, but they don't allow me to use PayPal, so I withdraw my money through Litecoin. So once you click on once you over this section, you're going to click on, they're going to ask you to choose a withdrawal method, okay? You choose it. They see a section here where they're going to click on submit request, okay? Then I'm going to send you an email, okay? Just like this one you see. I'm going to send you a token, okay? This is the token, so I'm going to input this token. I'm going to input it here. So they're going to give you an option to they're going to give you an option to input this token. So once you click on once you choose a payment method, okay, they will allow you to, they will ask you which of you should put your wallet address, okay? So if you're using Litecoin, okay, you can collect your Litecoin address from your Trust Wallet. So if you don't have Trust Wallet, you can download Trust Wallet from your mobile device. Copy your Litecoin address, receiving address, and paste it here. They're going to give you a room to paste it here. Then they're going to send you a code. Once they send you a code like this, you're going to get this code from your email address. The email is to register on Picoworkers, okay? So once you get the email, you paste, after pasting the token from the email address sent to you, and paste your Litecoin wallet address, okay? Then you're going to click on submit request. They're going to send it to you. So in the next 24 hours, the money is going to come into your account, just the way I actually withdraw mine. You can see here I withdraw $36, okay? I have $46 in my account, but they paid me 36, which is they debited $5 for charges and everything. So that's the way Picoworkers or Sproutgigs work. So if you can use Skrill, so whichever way you use, they are still going to debit you $5 no matter the payment method you use, okay? So you can use, if you use Skrill, okay, you're going to put your Skrill account, and they're definitely going to send you a code. So withdrawing on Picoworkers is actually easy, okay? It's not that stressful. So I think I'm done with the end of this video. So if you want to know, so if you're new to my channel, kindly please hit the like button or subscribe to my channel for me to make more actionable videos like this. So if you are landing here for the first time and you find this video very helpful, please share this video to anybody that you know who's going to be able to withdraw with Picoworkers but finding it hard to do it. Please share this video with them, and thanks for watching. So if you want to know how you can actually make some commissions like this I actually made there, then you can check my previous video how I made that amount of money doing this kind of tax on Picoworkers. So you can check the link in the video description below. So thanks for watching guys, till I see you again in my next video. Peace.